Seniors, if you think muscle growth after 60 is impossible, it's time to think again, and act fast. Every year after 50, you naturally lose muscle mass through a silent condition called sarcopenia. It's not just about feeling weaker, it's about losing the strength to stay independent, climb stairs without fear, carry groceries without struggle, and live life on your own terms. Left unchecked, sarcopenia accelerates frailty, increases fall risk, and steals away your freedom. But here's the good news: rebuilding lost muscle is not only possible, it's achievable with simple, natural strategies you can start today. No expensive gyms. No complicated routines. Just 3 science-backed natural powders, most likely already sitting in your kitchen, can help reignite your strength, boost your energy, and protect your independence. Stay tuned, because the next few minutes could change the way you age, and the way you live. First powder, whey protein powder. As we age, our muscles face a relentless enemy, sarcopenia, the gradual decline of muscle mass and strength. By the time we reach 60, this silent process accelerates, stealing our mobility, independence, and vitality. But the battle isn't lost. One of the most powerful tools to fight back is sitting quietly on health store shelves: whey protein powder. Whey protein is not just another supplement. It's a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body can no longer produce on its own. This matters because amino acids are the building blocks of muscle, and without them, rebuilding strength becomes impossible. What sets whey protein apart is its high leucine content, a critical amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. Think of leucine as the ignition key. Without enough of it, your body can't effectively repair and rebuild muscle, no matter how much protein you consume. After 60, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing and utilizing protein, making leucine-rich whey an absolute necessity, not a luxury. Timing is everything. Research shows that consuming whey protein within 30 to 60 minutes after activity, even light activities like walking, stretching, or using resistance bands, maximizes muscle repair and recovery. This is when your muscles are most receptive, and giving them the right fuel at the right time can be the difference between growing stronger or continuing to weaken. How much should you take? Experts recommend about 20 grams of high-quality protein per serving for seniors. However, not all whey proteins are created equal. Look for whey protein isolate or grass-fed whey concentrate. These are easier on digestion, lower in lactose, and provide purer protein content without the unnecessary baggage. Avoid products loaded with artificial sweeteners, gums, and hard-to-pronounce chemicals. Your body deserves better, pure, clean fuel. Preparation is simple and doesn't require complicated recipes. Stir a scoop of whey into cold water or almond milk for a quick, easy shake. Blend it with half a banana, a handful of spinach, and some frozen berries for a nutrient-packed smoothie. Or stir it into your morning oatmeal, a hearty, muscle-supporting breakfast that also stabilizes your blood sugar and keeps cravings at bay. But whey protein's benefits extend far beyond muscle growth. It strengthens the immune system, helping you ward off infections that become more dangerous with age. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the spikes and crashes that sap your energy and invite unhealthy snacking. In a world flooded with complex health advice, whey protein offers a simple, science-backed solution to a serious problem. If you're over 60 and serious about preserving your strength, balance, and independence, it's time to put this powerful tool to work. Don't wait for another year of decline. The sooner you start, the sooner you reclaim the strength that aging tries to take away. Second powder, collagen peptides. If you're over 60 and struggling with stiff joints, aching muscles, or a lack of balance, you're not imagining it, and it's not just getting older. It's a sign your body is losing one of its most vital structural proteins, collagen. Collagen is the scaffolding of your body. It holds together your joints, ligaments, bones, and muscles, providing the strength and elasticity you depend on to move with confidence. But here's the critical fact: collagen production begins to decline as early as your mid-20s. After 50, the decline becomes steep, and by 60, your body may be producing only a fraction of what it once did. Without enough collagen, your support network weakens. This leads to increased joint stiffness, muscle aches, slower recovery, and a dangerous loss of mobility and balance, factors that dramatically raise your risk of falls and fractures, the leading cause of disability in seniors. This is where collagen peptides come in. Unlike regular collagen, peptides are broken down into smaller, more absorbable pieces, making them easier for aging bodies to use effectively. Supplementing with collagen peptides strengthens the connective tissues that surround and support your muscles. Think of it like tightening the bolts and beams inside your body, ensuring everything functions smoothly and securely. The benefits are both immediate and long-term. Joint stiffness softens, aches diminish, and your range of motion gradually improves. Over time, collagen supplementation enhances flexibility, mobility, and balance, all essential to maintaining independence. But the benefits don't stop there. Collagen also supports bone density, vital for preventing osteoporosis, and improves skin elasticity, helping you look as strong and vibrant as you feel. Using collagen peptides is easy and fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Aim for 10 to 20 grams per day. The best part? Collagen powders are usually flavorless and dissolve effortlessly into hot or cold liquids. Stir a scoop into your morning coffee or tea, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to a warm bowl of oatmeal or soup. Here's a pro tip: combine your collagen with vitamin C, either as a supplement or by drinking a glass of orange juice. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis in the body, helping you get the maximum benefit from your supplement. But remember, quality matters. Not all collagen supplements are created equal. Choose products made from grass-fed, pasture-raised bovine collagen or wild-caught marine collagen. Look for brands that are third-party tested for purity and free from additives and fillers. Your body deserves the cleanest, highest quality fuel to rebuild and thrive. Collagen peptides aren't just about looking better, they're about moving better, feeling better, and living better. Don't ignore what your body is quietly asking for. Replenish what age has taken away and restore the strength and stability you need to live fully, confidently, and independently. Third powder, Spirulina powder. If you are over 60 and still relying on traditional foods to meet your nutritional needs, you could be missing one of the most powerful natural allies against weakness and fatigue, Spirulina powder. Spirulina isn't just another trendy supplement. It's one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods on the planet. And for seniors, it offers specific advantages that few other foods can match. Spirulina is a complete plant-based protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle maintenance and repair, a rare find, especially for seniors who eat less meat or follow vegetarian or vegan diets. But spirulina's real power lies deeper. It is rich in iron, a critical mineral that supports the production of hemoglobin, the molecule responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Without enough iron, muscles starve for oxygen, leading to fatigue, weakness, and that dragging sensation many seniors know too well. Spirulina provides a gentle, easily absorbed source of iron without the constipation or stomach upset often caused by synthetic iron pills. The benefits don't stop there. Spirulina is loaded with magnesium, potassium, calcium, and B vitamins, vital for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and cellular energy production. If you suffer from muscle cramps, restless legs, or low energy, these nutrients play a direct role in alleviating those issues. What truly sets spirulina apart is its high content of phycocyanin, a rare and powerful antioxidant responsible for its striking blue-green color. Phycocyanin is known to fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two hidden forces that silently accelerate muscle loss, joint pain, and chronic fatigue in aging bodies. Another incredible advantage, spirulina boosts nitric oxide production, a compound that relaxes and dilates blood vessels. The result? Improved circulation, especially to the muscles in your arms and legs, ensuring better delivery of oxygen and nutrients. This means reduced muscle tightness, fewer cramps, and greater endurance, whether you're walking, gardening, or simply keeping up with daily activities. Starting spirulina is simple and low risk. Begin with just half a teaspoon daily, and slowly work up to 1 teaspoon. The flavor can be intense, earthy and grassy, but you can easily mask it. Blend it into citrus juices like orange or pineapple to cut the taste, or add it to smoothies with banana and spinach. Stir it into soups or even salad dressings. And if the taste is a barrier, spirulina tablets are an excellent, tasteless alternative, easy to swallow and just as effective. But beware, spirulina is only as good as its source. Always choose organic, third-party tested products, ideally grown in clean environments like Hawaii or California. Inferior spirulina from contaminated waters can do more harm than good. Spirulina isn't just a supplement, it's a concentrated dose of vitality. For seniors who want to reclaim their strength, stamina, and zest for life, it's a simple, natural, and profoundly effective tool. In conclusion, whey protein helps rebuild and strengthen aging muscles. Collagen peptides reinforce your joints, ligaments, and connective tissues, providing the foundation your muscles depend on. And spirulina boosts your iron levels, energy, and recovery, fueling your body from the inside out. Aging does not mean weakness. With the right support, muscle regrowth is not only possible after 60, it's within your reach. Small, consistent changes can create powerful results over time. You don't need complex programs or expensive supplements, just the right natural tools and a commitment to caring for your body. Start small. Stay consistent. Your future strength and independence depend on the steps you take today. Which powder will you try first? Comment below with your experience or any questions. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more senior health and strength tips, and share it with someone who needs this information.